Hello, and welcome to Paraclete Aviation Life Support's Fitment Guide for the Kairos Retention Assembly. We are going to show you how to properly don and doff the helmet. That is, to put it on and take it off. After we show you how to properly don and doff the helmet, we will then go over some of the finer adjustment points. As with all protective headgear, please ensure to observe these warnings. Failure to ensure that the chin strap is properly connected and secured under the crew member's chin at all times will result in a loss of helmet stability and may cause injury to the crew member. Failure to ensure that the nape strap is properly positioned and secured at all times will also result in a loss of helmet stability and may cause injury to the crew member. In order to properly don the helmet for the first time, you have to make sure everything is loose. Undo the one-time cam locks and make sure the boa closure system has all the tension released by pulling the dial, located on the nape, completely out. Make sure the ear cups are centered in the domes. Place your thumbs inside the ear cups and slightly spread the helmet. Position the front edge of the helmet firmly against your forehead and rotate the helmet rearward and down onto your head. The front edge of the helmet should be sitting about 2 fingers above your eyebrows. This ensures the front edge of the helmet doesn't intrude into your field of view and properly positions the NVG quick disconnect for use with night vision goggles. A word of caution. Having too thick of a comfort liner installed in your helmet will cause the helmet to sit higher than 2 fingers and may cause discomfort. Also, having one that is too thin will cause the helmet to sit lower than previously described. In both cases, the helmet may be uncomfortable and may cause your NVGs to not properly adjust. Now grab the buckle on the chin strap by the red tag. Reach in under your chin and try to touch the opposite side of the shell. As the buckle gets close, follow the hook side strap down until the magnet catches. You should hear an audible click when this occurs. To tighten, firmly pull on the tail end of the chin strap to attain the desired fit. You may need to adjust the position of the pad for maximum comfort. The boa closure system is state-of-the-art and is the most advanced closure system in the industry. To properly operate the boa dial, ensure the dial is pushed all the way in. Tighten the system by turning right. As you tighten the boa dial, the ear cups and nape will close in around your head, securing the helmet. You should notice a distinct drop in external noise and feel slight to moderate pressure from the ear cup seals. You will also feel the helmet pulled back and down, depending on how much you tighten the boa dial. Turning left with tension applied to the nape loosens the retention assembly, or, if you prefer, you can pull the dial out to release all of the tension. Now, reach behind your neck and find the boa dial in the middle of the nape. Make sure it is pushed completely in and turn right to tighten until you attain the desired fit. If over-tightened, turn left to release the tension and relieve pressure. Once you have obtained your desired fit, lightly pull on one of the cam lock straps toward the front of your head until taut. As you hold the cam lock strap taut, use your thumb and index finger on your opposite hand to close and secure the cam lock. This process should not need to be repeated in subsequent donning, nor should it be released to doff the helmet. Repeat this process for the other side. Avoid over-tightening the cam lock straps. It may cause the nape or ear cup to be out of position. Your helmet is now flight ready. To remove the helmet, reach behind your neck and find the boa dial, and turn left, or if desired, pull the dial out to remove all of the tension. It should only take a few clicks to the left on the boa dial to loosen the nape enough to doff the helmet. Pull down the red tag on the chin strap buckle to release the chin strap. It will immediately fall away. Place your thumbs inside the ear cups and slightly spread the helmet. Push the helmet up and rotate it forward to properly remove it. Properly store the helmet until further use. The Kairos retention assembly includes finer adjustments. The ear cups are adjustable within the ear dome. If you are having trouble achieving the correct fit of the ear cup, you may use a 3" by 5" index card or something similar to help in achieving the correct fit. Place the index card between the ear cup and the retention webbing to keep the hook and loop from engaging. Don the helmet while holding the ear cups in place with your thumbs. Once donned, move the ear cups to achieve the proper fit around your ear. Remove the index card so the hook and loop can engage. Remember, if the cup is too close to the edge of the helmet's ear dome, it may cause excessive pressure and hot spots. The buckle on the chin strap may be adjusted by tightening or loosening. Place the included ladder buckle against the clasp after adjusting to the desired fit in order to maintain the correct adjustment for subsequent donning. That concludes the Fitment Guide. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please send us an email to sales@paracletelifesupport.com. Thank you for watching.